and today we are going to start last topic of this chapter. This is the excretion in plants. Finally we are reached at the last topic, excretion in plants. Okay, बहुत लंबा चैप्टर था ना. Yes, excretion in plants. Plants do not have any mechanism to collect, transport and removal of their waste, throughout of their waste. Okay, like human beings and animals, plants do not have any mechanism. In human beings, they have a particular mechanism to remove their waste. Excretory system is there. Okay, but in plants there is no any mechanism to collect, transport and remove their waste products. But they have adopted some various strategies to remove the waste products. Now with these strategies or techniques in plants. Okay, first is old leaves. Waste products are stored in old leaves which fall off. वो क्या हो जाते हैं, गिर जाते हैं when the leaves become old, and then these fall off, and the waste products are stored in old leaves. In this way they remove the waste product. Okay, old xylem. Some waste products are deposited in the old xylem that becomes non-functional. Okay, जो xylem non-functional हो जाते हैं, the waste products are deposited in older xylems which are non-functional and change into hardwood. Okay, the function of xylem is transportation of water, conduction of water. Okay, and when these xylems become old, so then it becomes non-functional and the waste products are deposited in older xylems. Okay, in this way waste products are removed. Next, bark. It consists of dead cells. It is made up of dead cells and it is peeled off periodically. Time to time ये क्या होते रहते हैं, रिमूव होते रहते हैं प्लांट से. इन दिस वे वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स आर रिमूव. वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स आर स्टोर्ड इन bark. These are the dead cells and these are peeled off periodically. Okay, next, root excretion. Some waste substances are actually excreted by the plant with the help of root into the soil. Some waste products are excreted by plant with the help of root into the soil directly. Okay. Next, transpiration. In the transpiration process, plant get rid of excess water by the leaves by the process of transpiration. Transpiration process in which leaf remove water in the form of water vapor. When the water is removed from leaf in the form of water vapor, this is called transpiration, and the plant get rid of excess of water by the leaf by the process of transpiration. In this way they remove their waste products, they remove their excess water. Okay, next is central vacuole. Most of the plant waste products are stored in central vacuoles of their cells. Cells के अंदर central vacuole present होती है. Plant cell में large central vacuole present होती है. So the most of the plant waste products are stored in central vacuoles. From these central vacuoles, these waste products are carried to plasma membrane and eliminated through the process of exocytosis. From the central vacuole, these waste products are carried to the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane में चल जाते हैं. After that, from plasma membrane, it is removed by the exocytosis process. Exocytosis process when the waste product or any substance removed from cell to outside. This is called exocytosis process. So these waste products from central vacuole carry to the plasma membrane को दे दी जाते हैं. After that, from plasma membrane, it is removed by the process of exocytosis. So in this way, plant remove their waste products. Okay, so these are the techniques by which plant remove their waste products. Clear? ओके, ह्यूमन बींग्स में हमने एक्सक्रेटरी सिस्टम किया था वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स को रिमूव करने के लिए, मेनली नाइट्रोजनस वेस्ट को रिमूव करने के लिए, लेकिन प्लांट्स के अंदर ऐसे कोई भी मैकेनिज्म नहीं है. सो प्लांट ने क्या किया, अपने आप में कुछ टेक्निक्स, कुछ स्ट्रेटेजीज एडॉप्ट की हैं टू रिमूव देयर वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट. सबसे पहले उनका जो वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट होता है वो लीफ में स्टोर हो जाता है, और जो वो लीव्स ओल्ड हो जाती हैं तो वो लीव्स क्या हो जाते हैं, गिर जाती हैं. सो इन दिस वे वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स आर रिमूव. Some of the waste products are deposited in the old xylem. The function of xylem is conduction of water. When this xylem get mature, or it becomes old and it becomes non-functional, that time the waste products are deposited in this and they are changed into hardwood. Bark is the outermost layer of the trees, and these are made up of dead cells. So the waste products are stored in these cells, and these are peeled off periodically. मतलब periodically time to time क्या है, remove होते रहते हैं, trees से क्या होते रहते हैं, remove होते रहते हैं. So in this way waste products are removed from the plant. Transpiration, by the transpiration process, excess water of the plant is removed by leaf by the process of transpiration. When the water is released from leaf in the form of vapor, this is called transpiration. So plant get rid of excess water by the leaf by the process of transpiration. Next is central vacuole. Plant have large central vacuole, okay, and most of the waste products are stored in central vacuoles. And from this central vacuole, these are carried to plasma membrane, and after that, these are removed by the process of exocytosis. So in this way, plant remove their waste products. I hope you understand this. So your chapter is completed, and in this chapter we have discussed about first nutrition. We all know that for the survival of the life, for the survival of organisms need food, and they take food. So this process is known as nutrition. For the survival of organism, they also need oxygen, because when they eat food, they take food, but from this food they need to get energy, and this energy is when the food is break down, and this food release energy when it is break down in the presence of oxygen. So organisms take oxygen to get energy from food. This process is called respiration. So we have taken food and oxygen. अब वो एक जगह पे तो जा नहीं सकते, है ना, तो उनका क्या है, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन हमारी बॉडी के अंदर जरूरी है. फॉर दिस वी हैव सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम for the transportation of food and oxygen, and also waste products. Waste products are produced in our body when the food is digested, when we breathe, when some waste products are formed in our body. So these are transported from one place to another to remove. ओके, जहाँ पर ये बनी है वहाँ से जहाँ से ये रिमूव होंगे वहाँ तक इनका ट्रांसपोर्टेशन जरूरी है. सो फॉर दिस वी हैव सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम. हमने सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम डिस्कस किया. अब जो वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट हमारी बॉडी में बन गई है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, तो हम उसको नॉज के थ्रू रेस्पिरेशन प्रोसेस में ही रिमूव कर देते हैं, लेकिन जो नाइट्रोजनस वेस्ट बना है उसको कैसे रिमूव करेंगे? फॉर दिस वी हैव excretory system, and we have discussed excretory system to remove the waste products from body. So in this way this chapter is completed. Okay, there are the different processes that are essential for the survival of life: nutrition, digestion, respiration, circulation, excretion. all are necessary for the survival of life. I hope you understand these processes. So students, watch videos carefully. Read this chapter from your book also. Any doubt, any query, you are free to ask me, students. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.